Did I do it? Did I make a good chia seed pudding? Have you ever made a chia seed pudding and actually ended up liking it? Because I haven't. I have tried making chia seed pudding probably more than 5 times at this point, and I hated every single one of them. But I refuse to fail at this, so I have a new recipe, new ingredients, and I'm nothing if not persistent. So today, for attempt number 6, I'm making a chia seed pudding. Let's get into the ingredients. I was so frustrated with my previous failed attempt that I actually ended up chucking the entire bag of chia seeds. There wasn't much left, so I have a new fresh bag of chia seeds. I'm also going to make this baby absolutely protein packed, so I have the vanilla bean metalab protein powder. For my liquids, I have coconut milk and Greek yogurt. And I might just add a splash of vanilla essence. The ingredients seem simple enough, so let's see if the 6th time is the charm. So far we are doing pretty good. I have followed the recipe to a T, and something that's already like much different than my previous recipes is that this one is already like pretty thick. Like normally I have like a very watery consistency. I don't know if this is a good thing or bad thing, but because none of my previous recipes have worked out, I'm just going to go with this. I'm going to move it over into this little glass container and have it look all cutesy. And now they simply have to go into the fridge for either overnight, but at least 4 hours. I am heading to the gym and then I have like a coffee date. So I think that this would be perfect if I come back later for like lunch. All that's left to do is wait and pray. Stay tuned for the taste test. Okay, moment of truth. She's been in the fridge for a few hours. I've also added a few bloops. So I have high hopes. The consistency at least is thick. Normally mine are like so super runny. I want to taste it without a bloop. That is actually really good. Did I do it? Did I make a good chia seed pudding? I think I have. I did it. It's not super sweet though, so I am going to add just like a drizzle of honey to add a little bit of sweetness to it. This is the one. I actually did it. I can already tell this is going to be my new hyperfixation, but this is the first time I promise you that I am eating chia seed pudding without wanting to gag. This is a huge win for me. I love it. Cheers! Let me know if you try this recipe or if you have a chia seed recipe that you swear by that comes out fantastic each and every time. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more videos like this one, then I think you'll really like this oat cookie recipe that's so easy, so delicious, and it has your name written all over it. Okay, bye!